Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell in the title, is gonna be the new Limecrime Venus palette. I'm gonna do like a little tutorial with it. I got it yesterday and I was so excited to try it, but I already had uploaded my other videos, so I couldn't really do all of that stuff. But anyways, I'm excited to try this. So it came out with like a little paper with like the information about it that I'm gonna tell you guys about. So yeah, if you guys want to see this little tutorial of this colorful bright palette, go ahead and let's get started. About this palette is that I want to let you guys know that this is a cruelty-free and vegan palette. So Limecrime tends to have cruelty-free and vegan products, so that's a really good thing. Also, it comes with 4 types of finishes. It comes with matte, foil, metallic, and shimmer, and then it comes in 8 shades, which is Betty. Let me show you guys really quick. It is Betty, Flutter, Starburst, Luxe, Sassy, Super Bloom, Happy Place, and Limelight. So oh my god, like these 2 colors are just everything right now. Okay, so the Betty, which is a bright blue, that is a matte shade. Flutter is a bright purple, that's a metallic shade. Starburst is a bright pink / orange matte shade. Luxe is a bright golden yellow, which is a foil. Limelight, which is this lime green one right here, that is a matte. Happy Place is a yellow green shimmer. Super Bloom is a bright orange foil, and Sassy is a bright pink and it's a matte. So as you can tell, these are all just so beautiful. Look at that orange, it's just wow. I'm gonna go ahead and start playing with it. I am so excited. So let's get started. This palette, I'll put the price right here for you guys when I find it, but I'm just excited to even show you guys all of this. Okay, so let's just get started. Okay, so I'm only gonna do one eye on camera and then I'm gonna do the other eye off camera like I always do right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eye, help for the shadows to stand out. Okay, so now that my eye is primed, I'm gonna go ahead and get the shade Betty, which is like that blue one, because I really want to try it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack that on the outer corner. I'm gonna pack it right here on the outer corner and just making sure that I use patting motions, because later on I'm gonna go ahead and like kind of blend it all out. So far I can see that it's pigmented, but I do catch myself going back and forth, which is not bad because I don't want it to go too crazy. So like that I kind of have control of the shadows. So I'm just gonna keep adding this here, kind of slowly blend it out right here. But you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with the shade Limelight, which is this green one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with this. This is giving me like Buzz Lightyear vibes, and I just live for it because I love Buzz Lightyear and I love Toy Story. So this is just everything, and I knew when I got this palette that I wanted to play with these 2 specific colors because they're just standing out to me the most. Keep blending this, and I'm gonna go in back and forth with the blue and the green for right now. Go ahead and get the shade Betty again, and I'm gonna start packing that blue again, just in case I lost it while I was blending with that green. Pretty that looks, oh my god, it's just everything. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go again with that green, and I'm just gonna blend it, tap and then blend, so we can kind of get that green in there too. And the green and the blue is just gonna give us like this nice dope color. Now that I'm done with the blue and the green, I'm gonna go ahead and get the shade Flutter, which is this purple metallic one, and I'm just gonna add that right next to the blue here and just kind of blend them in together, because I just know these are gonna blend in so beautiful. So we're just gonna kind of blend it out a little bit using the Anastasia like dual brushes that they give us in the palette. but so far I really like the way it's just blending. Look at that, so pretty. So I'm gonna just kind of get a little bit of that blue and just kind of blend it out here so it doesn't look too weird. It's just so pretty. Oh my god. Just blend it outward here too, and get it with the little flat brush and just kind of get like this. And we're just gonna go ahead and blend a little bit of that green above here so it can kind of blend in all together. Pretty that is looking. It's just so pretty. Go back in with that purple, and I'm just gonna kind of add it right over here, and inside this right here I'm gonna add a little bit of the Starburst because I really want to try that color. So I'm gonna go ahead and get another brush here. This is just like a random brush that I have, and I'm gonna get Starburst, and I'm gonna add it on the inner corner like so, as you can see, and kind of blend the purple, which is the Flutter, and the Starburst together. As you can see how it looks, it's just so dope. I'm gonna go ahead and mix and blend that purple and the pink, just because it kind of went over just a tad bit, and then get some of that blue and blend it. Get it with my finger and just kind of blend it a tad bit like this. I really like how this is looking. It's just so colorful, and I really like it. I do feel like it needs to be more like in depth there, like more like darker. So I'm gonna go in with Betty, and I'm just gonna get this little flat brush that I have going on, and then blending that kind of there in the inner corner, and just blending it together outside so we can just kind of have like that blend. And then I'm gonna go in and blend it out just a tad bit with the green. Go in a little bit. Oh my god, this is just so pretty. So I'm gonna go with another brush and then kind of add like a little bit of the pop of yellow in the corner, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish this bottom part first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get that Betty one, and I'm gonna put it right on the outer corner and kind of connect it together. I'm doing little by little because I don't want it to go too crazy. I'm gonna flutter and just kind of add it on the bottom part next to that blue. Next I'm gonna get the Starburst, and I'm gonna add it right here in my inner corner now. Get the Limelight, and then blend all of this together right here with the blue and the purple. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with Luxe, and I'm gonna add that on my inner corner, which is like this bright yellow. I'm gonna add it right here in the inner corner. And I'm gonna add that on my brow bone as well. Look how pretty that is looking. So I really like it. I just feel like it looks very vibrant. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna finish the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Milk Makeup Kush Mascara to start applying my lashes. But look, so far that is how the eye looks, and it's just crazy. Go ahead and apply the mascara. Okay, now I ended up putting my lashes off camera, but I am using the Rouge and Rogue lashes in Style Eclipse, and these are the ones that I used in my last video too, for the one for the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette with Jackie Aina, and I'm just obsessed with these lashes. So I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Dark Side Waterproof Gel Liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this on my waterline. Okay, now that that's done, I am done with my eye look. I'm gonna lower my brightness a little lower, but so this is the eye look so far. I am in love with it. So now I'm gonna go in with my Limecrime. This is the Flaming Cherry, and it's a gloss, and it's just so pretty, and I feel like this is just gonna be perfect with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on. Okay, so this is the final look using the new Venus Limecrime vivid palette, and I really do love it. So it's just so beautiful. My thoughts on this palette is that I feel like the colors are just so beautiful. The only ones I didn't really get to try was these two and a little bit of this one. I use all of these right here in the Limelight. I really did like the palette. I just feel like I did have to work just a tad bit more on the shades. Like I had to keep packing. But other than that, I just really like the way they just blend it all together, especially the blue and the green just blended out so beautiful. And I really did enjoy this palette. I think it's available for you to get now, so if you guys want it, you guys could get it. I think that's it, and I really did like it. And if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe and let me know your thoughts on this colorful eye look. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Would you guys even get this palette, or do you feel like you can get this palette in other palettes? What are your thoughts? Let a girl know. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to notification to know when I upload another video. And if you're not following me on Instagram and Twitter, you guys can go ahead and follow me there. I leave my name here. And what else? Yeah, and I finally, another thing, I finally hit 1,000 subscribers, and that means the world to me. I did not expect that, and I'm just so freaking happy about that. I'm really happy. You guys have no idea. I am just a small little YouTuber making videos, and it's not easy because I feel like, you know, before I tell you guys, another thing that would help my channel out a lot, it's gonna be if you comment and you give my video a thumbs up. That will kind of show my video more to other people, and that was gonna help me out a lot. I am, like I said, a small creator. I know there's a lot of big ones out there, but I'm a small one. And yeah, that will mean a lot for me. And yeah, I think that's probably it. That's all I gotta say. Okay, so that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. So